Here are 10 things you didn't know your iPhone could do. But before we start, are you using an Android? What are you doing here? We have be going. This is for Apple users only. Let's get into the video. Live text works on videos. Next time watching a YouTube tutorial, a lecture, or any video at all, even in your gallery, just pause the video, press and hold on the words inside the frame, and copy and paste it whether into your notes, Safari, or files, anywhere you want to put it, and it will work like that. Next, you can turn the back of your phone into a script button. You head to settings, accessibility, and touch. You scroll down to back tap and set up double tap or triple tap. You can set double tap to take screenshots, turn on the flashlights, or trigger any custom shortcut instantly. This will be especially useful to those people using iPhone 14 Pro and below. Those buttons without the new action button. So it serves as basically your own form of the action button. Now up next, you have a document scanner hidden in plain sight. You don't need to download Cam Scanner again or any other third-party scanner apps that you pay monthly subscriptions for. Open the iPhone Files app, tap the three dots in the corner and hit Scan Documents. It automatically detects the edges, removes shadows, flattens the page and saves it directly as a PDF. Now if you are still typing endlessly on a sentence, trying to place the text cursor right in between the two letters, stop. Just press and hold your spacebar. The entire keyboard turns into a smooth trackpad so you can position the cursor with exact precision. Now this one is for those of us that watch YouTube. Sorry. Those of you, not me. Those of you that watch YouTube videos to sleep, listen to music before you sleep, audiobooks or any form of audio or video. You can go to the clock app, tap timer, select when the timer ends, scroll all the way to the bottom and select stop playing. You can set for 30 minutes and hit start. And your phone will automatically pause any playing media when the time runs out, so your phone doesn't play all through the night and you wake up and you have seen that the YouTube video you don't know anything about has finished. Please don't do it for my own videos. You can't sleep over watching my videos now. You can't. Now for those of you that want to make instant stickers or remove backgrounds in 1 second, you can open any photo in your camera roll, press and hold down on the subject for 1 second and lift them straight off the background. You can drag and drop it into messages, notes, or even drop it into Photoshop or Canva directly. Now for those of you that like background sounds for deep focus, you can swipe down on your control panel, tap the ear symbol or the hearing icon and turn on background sounds. You can get built-in high quality rain, ocean, stream and white noise audio that plays behind your music on its own to help you focus or sleep completely free for those of you that actually want to use that. Now, if you're using an iPhone, you don't need to go to Safari or Google Chrome to ever convert currencies. You can just swipe down your spotlight and type it in, or go to your calculator and convert currencies, or wait and do all sorts of things from there. Very convenient for Apple users. Now, for those of you that want to lock your apps behind Face ID, well, you can do it here. Long press on any app icon on your home screen, photos, notes, or WhatsApp, and tap require Face ID. So even if someone has your phone unlocked, they can't open that specific app without your Face ID. And for the last one, instant app to widget morphing. You don't have to go through the entire widgets gallery menu to add widgets to your home screen. Long press on any supported app like photos, weathers, or calendar and tap one of the widgets layouts icon in pop-up menu. The app instantly expands into a live widget right where it sits. Out of 10, how many did you know before watching this video? Let me know in the comment section below. And for the Android users that stay to the end of this video, I have something special for you next week. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. He loves tech out.